Hi there, Agile Loaders. I'm going to show you now how to capture a script from a mobile device. In this case, we're going to use an iPhone. The first thing you're going to need is the IP address of the machine where AgileLoad is sitting. You can do that with ipconfig, as I've done just here. And then you need to create a new script, of course. I'm just going to call this one Mobile Capture. Hit save, and before I hit record, I want to go into the record options. And we're going to use a proxy in this case. I'm just going to show you some of the options there. In advanced, it's telling us that it's using port 90. That's configurable. If there is a real proxy, we can specify it here. In this case, we're just connected directly to the internet, so it's fine. And if we're going to use any certificates, we specify them here. So that's all fine. We hit OK, and we're going to now hit the record button, which is going to fire up our listener, and you'll see the script capture bar. And as we start to send traffic through this proxy, we should start to see a number in there start to increase. There are some other ways to capture as well, using tunneling and so on, but we'll look at those in some of the tutorials. This is the simplest way to capture. So I'm going to take my mobile device here, which is an iPhone. Please excuse my videoing. And I'm going to go into the settings. And of course I'm connected to a Wi-Fi here. I need to be using a Wi-Fi. I'm going to go into the settings and go down to the HTTP proxy details and choose manual and put in the IP address of my AgileLoad implementation and the port, which we saw was port 90. Going back now to Wi-Fi networks. In fact, I could just click the home button here, which, there we go. And I'm going to go to Safari and load up dig.com, m.dig.com. I'm just going to refresh the page, and we should see, as dig loads up, we should see the script capture bar start to see some traffic. And there we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on requests. And AgileLoad is now capturing data from my iPhone. You can see that there. Probably a bit clearer on the screen capture rather than through the camera. So it's now finished that particular part of the transaction. It's loaded the page. The next thing is I'm going to click on one of these articles. So let's take a look at this Last.fm article, and we can see the script capture bar is now going up again as the iPhone is loading up the page into Safari. Now the page is loaded. Great stuff. We've got our article. We can hit stop now, and you will see AgileLoad will try to automatically parameterize. In this case, it's using folder ID, folder ID, but we need to probably create a model. But the main thing is we can see that it's captured from the iPhone. We can see that in the user agent header. So this is how to record a script. You can see there's some Google Analytics stuff in there. Probably want to pull that out by setting that in the options, some exclude traffic options. But the main thing is we've captured a script from an iPhone, and do with that what you will. Treat it as any other script in AgileLoad. Okay, so thank you very much for watching.